Today we will discuss exercise 2.1 question number 5. Write the successor of A, B, C, D. There are 4 numbers. Right. Now we will solve question number A. First you have to know what is the meaning of successor. Successor means you have to add 1 to that number. That will be the successor of that. Right. Suppose here the number is 24402440701. The last number is 701. That means if we add 1 to that number, it will be 702. Therefore, the successor of two four four 701 is, we add one number, the number will be 701, it will be 702. Successor means you have to add 1 to that number, right? This is the solution of question number A. Next, B is the successor of 100,199 is, the last number is, you see, is 199. That means if we add 199 number 1, it will be 200. Therefore, the number will be 100,200. Right. Now question number C. The successor of 10, how many 9 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is, that means you have to add 1 with this number. We are adding this number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are adding 1, right? 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 9 plus 10, 0, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1, 1. And the commas will be after here and here, right? Here the commas are after 3 digits, then after 2 digits. That means number is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, that means here the number is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 99,999. That means if we add 1, it will be 11 lakh, right? This is the successor. Now question number D. Question number D is, the successor of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 is, here the last number is 670. Therefore, if we add 1 to that number, we are getting 671. Therefore, the number will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Right? This is the solution of question number 5.